But amid the race to find a COVID-19 vaccine, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be embarking on a 3-city tour today. Starting with Ahmedabad, he'll then visit Pune and finally Hyderabad. So he will be taking stock of the vaccine development work. Now, his journey will start from the Zydus Biotech Park in Ahmedabad at the Chengodar Park. He will then, the drug maker, remember, had earlier announced that the phase 1 clinical trial of its COVID-19 vaccine candidate ZyCoV-D has been completed and it's commenced phase 2 clinical trials from August. From Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Modi is expected to travel to Hyderabad and visit Bharat Biotech, which is working on Covaxin, pitched as India's first indigenous vaccine candidate. Later in the evening, the Prime Minister will visit Pune-based Serum Institute of India, which has partnered with global pharma giant AstraZeneca and Oxford University for the Covishield vaccine. Prime Minister Modi will also speak to Serum's Chief Executive Adar Poonawalla and his family members, along with scientists at Serum Institute, and review Covishield vaccine's production as well as distribution mechanism. And listen in to what the Prime Minister had said back on November 24th when he held a meeting with chief ministers. He'd spoken in detail about really what the vaccine plan is.
साथियों, वैक्सीन को लेकर भारत के पास जैसा अनुभव है वो दुनिया के बड़े-बड़े देशों को भी नहीं है। हमारे लिए जितनी जरूरी है स्पीड है, उतनी ही जरूरी है सेफ्टी भी है। भारत जो भी वैक्सीन अपने नागरिकों को देगा वो हर वैज्ञानिक कसौटी पर खरी होगी। जहां तक वैक्सीन के डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात है तो उसकी तैयारी भी आप सभी राज्यों के साथ मिलकर के की जा रही है। वैक्सीन प्राथमिकता के आधार पर किसे लगाई जाएगी, ये राज्यों के साथ मिलकर के एक मोटा-मोटा खाका भी आपके सामने रखा है कि भाई अगर इस प्रकार से WHO ने जो कहा है हम चलते हैं तो अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर भी ये निर्णय तो हम सब मिलकर के ही करेंगे। उनके सुझाव का महत्व इसमें बहुत रहेगा क्योंकि आखिरकार उनको अंदाज है कि उनके राज्य में कैसे होगा। हमें कितनी अतिरिक्त कोल्ड स्टोरेज की जरूरत रहेगी, मुझे लगता है कि राज्यों ने इस पर अभी बल देकर के व्यवस्थाएं खड़ी कर देना शुरू कर देना चाहिए। कहां-कहां संभव हो गए, उसके पैरामीटर्स क्या हो गए, उस पर हमें यहां से सूचनाएं तो डिपार्टमेंट को चली गई है, लेकिन इसको अब इम्प्लीमेंट करने के हमने रेडी रखना पड़ेगा और जरूरत पड़ी तो अतिरिक्त सप्लाई भी सुनिश्चित की जाएगी और इसका विस्तृत प्लान बहुत जल्द ही राज्य सरकारों के साथ मिलकर के तय कर दिया जाएगा। हमारी राज्यों की और केंद्र की टीम साथ लगातार वो बातचीत कर रहे हैं, काम चल रहा है।
Let me take this across to Soumya Singh. She's joining us live from Ahmedabad this morning. Soumya, good morning. In just about 1 hour from now, we're expecting that the Prime Minister will touch down in Ahmedabad. Just tell us what's really on the agenda for him there.
India grows nearer to the coronavirus vaccine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to visit first in Ahmedabad. Right now, I'm standing over Zydus Biotech Park. Here, I would directly like to show you the visuals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Zydus Cadila plant near Ahmedabad to get the information on the development of COVID-19 vaccine. Here, he will get the review meeting to be held, and then the drug maker had earlier announced that the phase 1 and 2 clinical trial of COVID-19 vaccine ZyCoV has been completed, and it has been completed its trial with the success rate of 70%, which is very positive news for us. Zydus team has stated that they will be starting their third phase trial on ZyCoV in December very soon, and Zydus Cadila is developing one of the COVID-19 vaccine brand ZyCoV, and today approximately at 9 a.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting over here, and then he will take the review meeting where the vaccine process has been going on.
All right, Soumya, we'll keep coming to you for the latest. For the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.